So, do you also waste hours of time just in making the thumbnails and still have not to use the power of AI? So in this video, I'm going to teach you how we can make the amazing thumbnail like Mr. Beast with the help of AI and save hours and hours of your time. So let's begin. At first, open your YouTube and search for the thumbnail that you inspired from and copy the link, just like I'm doing here. After you copy the link, you could just go in your browser and search for this website. Paste the link copied from the YouTube and click on download HD thumbnail. Your download will begin. After downloading your thumbnail, go to the AI website ideogram and put the thumbnail there in the upload file. It will take some time and it will publish your thumbnail there. And now you have to do a Google sign up. Sign up with your Google ID and there will come an interface like this. Copy the text and just click on it and it will copy in the description section. And let's go to the another website, ideogram, and paste the prompt copied from the previous one, and be sure to click on 16:9 and magic prompt can be left on. Click on generate and wait for some time. It will take some time before generating you awesome thumbnails. Meanwhile, while it is generating me some thumbnails, please subscribe to our channel and like the video for the YouTube algorithm. And we will make the AI videos and some useful contents for you guys. Okay, now I have gotten some amazing AI images and they look great, which you can edit further for your videos. Or you can just edit the prompt and make the thumbnail over here as well. Not only Mr. Beast thumbnail, we can make more thumbnail like this also in this AI.
So these are the example of some thumbnail designed by the same picture and the result are amazing.
We can just by a little bit of text we can make the thumbnail very good, and moreover we can make the more thumbnail like this and this as well from the AI. So use the AI properly and use it towards your full potential, guys. Bye bye. And all the important links are in the comment section below, so enjoy.